In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can save your data on Dream League. In this case, if you lose your mobile phone and you download Dream League on the new mobile phone, you are going to get your old team, your old profile, and your old players. So let me show you guys how to do this. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So to do this, hop on your Dream League like this, and then move to your settings on here. So on our settings, we move to advanced on here, and then advanced, you can see sign in with Google. So what we are going to do is we're going to sign in our Google account. So in this case, if we lose our mobile phone, we just need to sign in that Google account on Play Store, and then we download Dream League, and we are going to restore our data. So I just tap on that. You can see it's disconnected here. So are you sure you want to sign in? So if you already have an account on that email you want to sign in, you're going to lose your data here. So you should make sure you don't have any Dream League on that account. So yes, I want to do that. So it's going to take some time, and then go to pop up my Gmails I have on my mobile phone. Good. So on here, I select my preferred Gmail, which is this. And good, you can see I've connected it. So with this, anytime I lose my mobile phone and I have a new mobile phone, I just need to hop on Play Store, download Dream League, and then sign into my Gmail account, and I'm going to get my old team and then continue playing from where I left off. So that's it on how you can save your profile or your data on Dream League. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.